It's back. Welcome back, everybody, to the first vlog with the Nightmare here in 2018. Winter is finally coming to an end at this part of Canada anyway, and the reason why I'm making a vlog today is because this week we're supposed to get a lot of rain and a lot of warm weather, which will ultimately get rid of what snow we have out there now, and hopefully will be it for the snow, and we'll be able to get back to some consistent car-related content and retro video game-related content. I haven't forgot about you guys, which we'll talk about a little bit later on. But I did want to welcome you guys back. I want to apologize for there being no content, but I just thought it was a good idea to not drive my car in the winter with all the salt and stuff on the road. Now, I did manage to get the car out once a week on average, so it's not like it's been sitting in this garage the entire time without it being turned on and driven. But I just didn't really do much. I was like driving to the gas station, you know, going out on the highway, you know, going to see a movie, and just very little stuff. Nothing crazy. I haven't pushed the car or anything like that. I also bought the AMG car cover. I never actually used it. It's still sitting in the back seat of my car. So I will be showing that off and putting that on the vehicle for the first time a little bit later on this week. And today, the reason why I wanted to make this vlog in particular is I want to show you guys the newest modification that is going on the vehicle, which is the carbon fiber air boxes from WiseTech. Now, I ordered these way back in the beginning of October when they were being made, and then they were being shipped out in November. I didn't actually receive these boxes until last month. Like the beginning of last month. So they've been sitting in my house. It's on my kitchen table right now. I'm going to go in and show you guys that. So we're going to be taking those down to ISI that installed the ECU tune, and what else did I get put in here? Oh, the downpipes and all that stuff. I'm going to the same shop. I'm going to be getting them to install it. Now, it won't happen today. I got to make an appointment, so I'm just going to go down there. But I did want to show you guys that. And then also, I need to stop at the repair place, because last year when my car got rear-ended, my carbon fiber piece that they sent me finally came in the middle of winter. So like at the beginning of January or so, the carbon fiber piece finally came in. It was on back order because this is the 18. And they just didn't have those in production. Finally, they have them. So I need to make an appointment to get this car in and get the new carbon fiber piece put on the back as well. Also, as we're driving and doing my errands today, I'm going to be talking to you guys about what I'm planning on doing with the car this year. So I'm not going to go through it right now, but I'll tell you guys when I'm in the vehicle and just sort of the scope of things that we're going to be doing this spring and summer. So without further ado, let's go in the house. I'll show you guys the carbon fiber air boxes, and then we're going to head out on the road. Alright, so I had to move the stuff in here because of the pets, but as you can see, here are the carbon fiber air boxes with the WiseTech logo. There's the other one here. It's all wrapped up. I just took one out so I could show you, and all of the other pieces that go along with it. I'll post up a diagram here on the screen. And depending on your level of modification that you have on the car already, it will give you up to 30 extra horsepower. Now, I don't think I'm going to get that much out of it, but I do have the downpipes and the ECU tune and the air filters. So I'm sure I'm going to get some kind of performance out of this. So I'm excited. It's going to be a lot more airflow. All right. Whew, still cold. Well, let's do a cold start. So that's comfort mode. Let's put it on the Sport Plus. Damn. All right, let's go. All right, guys, I'm already out on the road. I had to stop at the camera place and grab a new mount because this one just broke on the way here. So yeah, got that. All right, so that's better now that the camera is mounted up on the windshield again. So we are on our way to ISI, and while I'm on my way there, I want to fill you guys in on the type of content that's going to be coming this spring and summer. first I want to address all the retro video game stuff. I know a lot of you guys are probably new to the channel. We still get a ton of new subscribers, even while I wasn't posting any content. The video talking about how Mercedes messed up the whole regulation thing with the car is still getting tons of views, so there's a lot of people coming into the channel. But during the summer, I do go to yard sales and I collect retro video games, and I do have a following for that, and it's something that I enjoy immensely, and it is what I do for fun in the summer. And so I just want to tell all the people that enjoy the live yard sale footage, we'll be taking this car out to yard sales. We got spy glasses, and we'll try and get some really good deals on games. That content is coming back. Obviously, there's still snow outside, so probably in another 2 to 3, well, not 2 weeks, probably 3 to 4 weeks, the first yard sales will be starting up again, and we'll be doing that once a week. So that content will be coming back, and if you're not interested in it, it will be clearly marked on the videos when you're going to be seeing that stuff. It'll say like live retro video game hunt. So I just wanted to get that out the way. Back to the car stuff. We are going to be doing a few things. Now, there are several events that are going to be happening. We're going to be racing this car this season. I'm going to be getting a membership at a racetrack as well. We're going to be doing a dyno. Finally, we're going to get the car dynoed and see exactly how much horsepower this thing has and what it's cranking out for torque. We're going to be getting new rims and rubbers. So I'm going to be getting the Michelin Sport S Pluses, and we're also going to be getting rims from Velos Designs, a fellow YouTuber, auto vlog. I'm sure a lot of you guys know who he is. He got rims from them, and they are absolutely kick-ass. I mean, I'll post a picture right now up on the screen. They just look incredible. Now, obviously, I can't get the same rims, so I'm going to be looking at different types. I'm going to have a dedicated video soon going through a bunch of different options, and I'll get your guys' input on the type of rims I should be getting for my matte gray C63s. So I'm excited about that. Obviously, the carbon fiber air boxes are going to be installed soon. We're going to be getting the new carbon fiber added onto the back of this car, as it still has a crack in it. And yeah, no turbos this year. I'm not doing the turbos. They're expensive, and I still get tons of power in this thing. I mean, listen to this car. I mean, I don't need turbo. I don't need 800 horsepower. I just don't need it. So, you know, adding another 150 horsepower, like, as of right now, I'm supposed to have about 650 horsepower in this car. I'm not sure. I've never driven a 600 plus horsepower car before, so I don't really know if this legitimately has 650 horsepower. Now, with this carbon fiber air boxes added on, it's supposed to give up to 30 more horsepower. With that, it's probably damn close. And also, that's why I want to get the car dynoed, is I really want to know exactly how much horsepower, how much torque we got, all that fun stuff. Because as of right now, you know, on paper, I'm supposed to have about 650 horsepower and about 666 foot-pound torque. But who knows? You know, I don't know exactly how much the tune has done for the car. I can tell you right now, it sure as hell feels like I got 650 horsepower. I gotta admit, it feels really good to have the car out again. It's been a few weeks since I've driven this, and I've missed it, man. I really have. Oh shit! I gotta say, getting this car tuned was the best thing that I've done with this vehicle so far. You know, I fought it a little bit. I was worried about warranty and things like that, and then I was like, you know what? I'm going to enjoy this car to the fullest, and if that means blowing an engine or whatever could go wrong, so be it. And I'm just so happy that I went with WiseTech and I got the stuff that I did and the quality stuff. because honestly, guys, like, this car is a lot of fun stock. It's a lot of fun stock, especially if you came from where I came from, you know, from a 1 Series, a 128i BMW. I mean, the power difference is just night and day. It's like driving two different beasts all together. I mean, I don't even know if you can call a 128i a beast. It's a fun little car, but, you know, this vehicle stock was amazing, but it tuned. It just opens this thing up to where it rightfully should be, in my opinion. It's incredible. Like, just listen to that. It's absolutely incredible. And we'll get out here and I'll show you guys the car too. It's been a minute since you've seen it. All right, so we just got out, made an appointment for next Wednesday to get the car dropped off. So what we're gonna be doing, first and foremost, the carbon fiber air boxes. All of this is gonna look much different. I'm a little sad we're gonna lose this like AMG logo stuff here, but whatever. More importantly, see my ECU down here? This thing is strapped in by twist ties. So they're also going to be building a custom bracket in there. For some reason, WiseTech and pretty much every other tuner out there doesn't offer something different. Instead of having it, because the chip is usually like way up underneath the engine and it takes hours to get at. So we moved it up here, we rewired it, and now we're gonna be building a custom box and brackets that are going to be put in there. So we're doing that as well, and that's all going to happen next week. All right, so now that that is done, we are driving down the road here to the place that fixed up my car when it got rear-ended. I'm going to make an appointment to bring the car in to get the new carbon fiber piece put on the back, and then finally the car will be 100% repaired from the rear end that happened last year. If you guys didn't see that, there is a video. If I remember, I'll post an annotation that you guys can go watch that disaster happen. All right, I'm here now, so I'll give you guys an update in just a sec. All right, so I just got out from the shop that's doing the work on my car. They have a new guy here, and he wasn't actually around when this car was brought in. So he's going to give me a call later on this afternoon. Everybody's on lunch break right now. So obviously the carbon fiber piece is in the shop somewhere. Once they figure it out, then we're going to set up a time where I can bring this in and get the work done. Hopefully they didn't ship it back to Germany or something like that, but you know, we'll see. Fingers crossed everything can work out and I can get this in the next week or two and get everything done. But with that being said, guys, I am going to call it there. I don't want to make this too long. I want to thank everybody for tuning in, bearing with me on the no content over the winter, and I won't do that again. You know, I'll definitely get another vehicle for next winter. I do have a truck that I was driving around, but it's just a Dodge Ram, like a used a 1500 Ram, like I think it's a 2012 or something, that I've just been using for my rental properties, and that's it. But you know, next year we'll definitely get a Rubicon or something like that I can continue the content. But, you know, as you can see, there's still snow. Hopefully by the end of this week, all that will be gone. I'm going to try and do another video a little bit later on this week when the weather starts to get a little bit nicer. We're supposed to have a really nice day a little bit later on this week. So maybe we'll take this into the shop to get detailed, get it nice and looking clean. It's a little dirty on the inside and the outside. And that's going to be it. So if you guys are excited for the content again, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you are new. And yeah, we'll see you guys a little bit later on this week. And then next week, we'll have the carbon fiber air boxes in there. I'll show you guys what it's like. I'll let you know how much more power it feels like we have. We're going to get the car dynoed and all that fun stuff. So with that being said, guys, thank you so much. And we'll see you on the next one. Peace out.